Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your printer keeps showing offline on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to fix this, first open the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the services window you will need to scroll through the list and then find this print spooler services. Simply right click on it and then click on properties. Now here you will need to make sure that the startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply followed by OK. Now right click on the service and then select restart. If you still experience problems, open the settings menu. Now in here go to Bluetooth and devices tab. Now go to printers and scanners. In here select the printer you are having trouble with. Now here you will need to make sure it is set as the default printer on your PC. Next, you will need to open printer properties. In this menu, you will need to go to this ports tab here. Now click on add port. Now click on standard TCP IP port and then click on new port. Now in the setup wizard, click on next. Now here you will need to enter your printer's IP address and then click on next. Once you do this, your printer should no longer appear offline and your issue will be solved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.